Epic rap battles of... Jeez. How do y'all do that without straightening your throats? Alright, just, let's go. What's up, KrimNation? This is your boy, KriminalMosley. Welcome back to another episode of KrimReacts. Epic rap battles of history is coming back for a second go-round, and you best believe I'm not done with these guys, not by a long shot. But this one is going to be really, really good. George R.R. Martin versus J.R.R. Tolkien. So it's Game of Thrones versus Lord of the Rings. Ooh, I can't wait to see who wins this one. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Let the rap battle begin. Let's go. Really hyped for this. Have I watched both? Yes. Oh my god, a fat suit.
J.R.R. Tolkien!
He had the ring in his hand.
Gather up your trolls and your soldier elves, and your ents and your orcs and your wargs and your stings, your dwarves and clam drinks. Cause there's a new literary lord in the ring.
Damn.
Readers fall in love with every character I've written, then I kill them. And they're like, what? Your bad guys die and your good guys survive. We can tell what's gonna happen a page in age 5.
Damn.
Seeing how to find some sex in your movie. Ditch the Goonies and cast a couple boobies.
Why you gotta ruin the Goonies, man?
David the Gnome. Your hobbit hole heroes can't handle my throne. Kings, queens, dragons, dwarves.
Wow.
Horses, fortresses, magic, and swords. You have bit my whole shit, you uninspired hack. You want a war, George? Welcome to J.R.R.
He said J.R.R.
Nothing to say. I'm number 1 and 2. You're under 50 shades of gray. I got the
Damn.
pro. Your shit's up, Paul. You're a pirate. You even stole my arm. We all know the world is full of chance and anarchy. See, yes, it's true to life. The characters that die randomly. But newsflash, fantasy. It's meant to be unrealistic. You myopic manatee.
Wow.
Conscientiously object to what you're doing on these beasts. I'll cut you like my teeth on Beauty and the Beast. You went too deep, Professor Tweed Pants. We don't need the backstory on every fucking tree branch. I cut my teeth in the trenches of the song. You locked your Santa Claus ass through Vietnam.
shit.
It's hard for me to take criticism on clothes. From a dude who sends a raven to say hi to a
Wow.
Your fat jokes are worse than your pipe smoke. My show's the hottest thing on HBO.
Damn.
Oh, you're a nerdy little nebbish and I may be dirty, but you got a hairy foot fetish, dog.
Yeah, he went in.
If your characters suck, you got buffers and boofers and brandy bucks. I got a second breakfast for all them goofy fucks. Lift up my gut and teabagging's my nuts. C.S. Lewis and I were just discussing how you and Jon Snow both know nothing. Because the backstory on my box office is brilliant. Got my children making millions off my Silmarillions, and I'm more rock and roll than you ever been. Don't believe me? Ask Led Zeppelin.
Wow.
Racist fellow. Shit, I'm too towering. Every time I battle, it's Return of the King.
No, he didn't. No, he did not. Yo, I'm sorry. Damn! I gotta give it up for this one. Wow. Epic rap battles of history. Y'all, what the hell was I missing? This was too good. Oh my god. I thought the James Bond Austin Powers one I did was good. This one was way better. Dude, they hit it on both sides. Oh my god. Okay, hold up. So, Martin hits me with the... he hits me with the part that got me with him was... Professor Tweed Pants, we don't need a fucking story on every fucking tree branch. I was like, damn, that got me, but I'm sorry. J.R.R. Tolkien killed it the whole time. He said, you're a pirate. You even stole my R.R. And if y'all didn't catch the ending, dog, he said, what'd he say? More than his fellowship. I'm too towering. Every time I battle, it's Return of the King. This man used all 3 of his movies, or all 3 of his books, and put them in one final line. That man killed it. I ain't gonna lie, my favorite part with George R.R. Martin was the lift up my gut, teabagging's my nuts. But the next line killed him. He said, C. Lewis and I were just discussing how you and Jon Snow both know nothing. Wow. So, the winner of this epic rap battle of history is going to J.R.R. Tolkien. I gotta give it to him. I mean, his intro was off the chain because he came in with the ring, took it off, and put it in his pocket. Y'all didn't catch that. But if you didn't, go watch it again. Granted, you can watch it again. The original clip's going to be in the description. But, dude, it was amazing. This is too epic. I'm definitely coming back to ERB for this. I subscribe to them for a reason. This is why. So, who you guys think won this rap battle? J.R.R. Tolkien or George R.R. Martin? Hit me up on the comment section below and we'll discuss this one. Damn, this was good. We're still on the road to 5,000 subscribers, guys. We'll make it to 4,000 by the end of the year. I know we will. And we're getting ever so close to that million total channel views. I'm excited. I still don't know what to do if we get there. I don't know how I'm going to celebrate. If you guys got any ideas, please let me know too. But of course, guys, hit me up here on YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe. You guys see my Instagram page down there. You can hit me up there. And of course on Twitter, you can hit me up on there. All of them, all the tags are still the same. It's going to be at KrimReacts, so you guys can find me a lot easier. Check out the merch, guys. Go buy some merchandise. You'll love it. I guarantee it. I've already had a couple sales already, so thank you guys. You are awesome. So, with that being said, let's get to the next episode, which is... Oh, we're going right to this. Definitely. Broly is coming. Until then, guys, I'm your humble host, Anton KriminalMosley, naturally. Thank you so much for tuning in to this epic episode of KrimReacts. See what I did there? Holla at your boy. I'm out. Peace. Good Lord, that was good.